You're gonna run in the snow barefoot if I have those emojis and fidgets? Well, I just said it, so that means you're next. Starting off with emoji number 1, we have a cow. Emoji number 2 was a bit of a harder one, but after some digging, I did find a pair of glasses. Next up, we have some cheese. Emoji number 4 was a key. The smallest little key you ever did see. Then we've got a bucket of popcorn. Guys, I thought I had to pop it to match the last emoji, but I don't. So I guess that means you don't need to run around in the snow barefoot after all.